Hope everyone had a great holiday and got to spend time with family or get away from work or whatever it is you do on your holiday season. We had some snow hit both where we are at home and as well as up at the property, so we've not been up there for a little while as it's been really cold and there's been a lot going on with Christmas and all the things and family visiting. So just a short little video. Wanted to share some great snow with you from the Pacific Northwest. Doesn't usually snow on the coast like that, so it's kind of exciting to see quite a bit of snow, especially up on the property where it's really pretty. So didn't do any projects, but just wanted to share some great Northwest snow with you, and hope you have a great holiday.
Shamrock Creek.
Wow, it's beautiful out here. We picked the right day to come up. The sun's out, clear skies. All the snow's done snowing, at least for today. So up here checking the place out. Gonna drop off the Christmas tree from this year and last year. And we'll burn those this summer when it's a little nicer out and have a big old fire. This is the Christmas tree from, I guess 2020, COVID year, but it's been sitting in our yard at home for however long that's been, over a year. A little dead, so we just brought it up here to burn. Everything up here is frozen. Cargo trailer locks are all frozen, so fortunately I could get the padlock off the back and went in the back way, but the main door where it's more of like an RV style lock, that's all frozen solid. Couldn't even blow hot air on it. So anyways, just trying to get the keys to the storage container so I can check that out and drop some stuff off. See if it's frozen or not. No, it opened right up. These are all frozen though. That up, gonna let it idle since we're up here. Might as well push some fluids through it and let it sit for a little bit, burn some of the fuel off. But it's pretty cold, but it started right up, so we'll let that idle for a bit while we unload some other stuff. All right, hope you can hear me over the four-wheeler. Dropping some stuff off. Got some stuff for Christmas. Squares, big framing squares for cabin work. This is a new DeWalt 20-volt cordless framing nailer. So we'll be needing that when we work on the cabin. So I got that up here now. And lastly, we got all new salt blocks. I'm not going to put any out right now, obviously, because it's snowing, but we've got 3 or 4 of them up here now. So once the spring hits, we can get those back out, start pulling the animals back to the landing. So while I'm here, I might as well clean off the solar panels. Looks like the sun did some of it for me. Down on this lower landing down here, and lots of elk track. So we were just talking about it's probably from last night. I don't think it snowed today, but they're pretty fresh. So within the last 12 hours, I'm sure they were here. There's a bunch of them, so at least a few of them were wandering through here. But it is beautiful down here today. The snow on the ground and nice blue skies. The sun's out, as you can see. This trail right here goes down this ridge. We followed it before in the summer. It's heavily traveled. It's massive, but you can see here all the elk went down it in the winter too. So they're still using it.